Three types of mindful attention: expansive, constrictive, and bare mindful attention. These three types of attention all use the same skills I explained earlier, and the only difference is the focus and purpose of each. First, let's look at expansive mindful attention, also known as the wide-angle lens of mindful attention. Here, our attention is directed towards the whole, the bigger picture, the links and connections that can be found between things. Like a landscape painter, notice how all the different colours and textures complement and work together to create the big picture. Now, let's look at bare attention. Here we observe with curious interest, noticing what is happening without dwelling or getting caught up in what we observe. Like a bird watcher, with curious interest we are noticing and observing the birds come and go with acceptance and without judgment. Finally, let us consider constrictive mindful attention, also known as the zoom lens of mindful attention. Here, our attention is directed towards the parts, the small minute detail that connect things together, like a watchmaker looking at the separate parts of a watch in great detail. All three types of mindful attention are connected, and their use depends upon what is happening around us and what we wish to achieve. None is more important or better than the others, but what is important is knowing when to use each of the different types of mindful attention. To be truly aware, reflective and insightful involves the ability to switch between the different types of attention, to look at the fine detail and the big picture without becoming overwhelmed or distracted. This is an active process, and we can choose what we focus on and how we focus on things. This means we decide which one of the three types of attention we wish to use at any one moment. Being able to do this allows us to focus on the parts and the whole without being distracted or overwhelmed. We can observe, notice and describe what is happening, but we do not have to ruminate or dwell, give it too much attention or get caught up into it. And we can refocus and focus our attention as we need. Together, these types of mindful attention make us truly unafraid of engaging and connecting with life and our experiences, because we have the ability to manage what arises.